Hello and welcome to today's coaching session. My name is Zarif Hardy and I'm the Director of the Australian School of Etiquette. Today we're just going to touch a little bit about those first impressions. And first impressions aren't things that just happen when you meet someone for the first time, although those ones are incredibly important. You create a first impression every day when you arrive at work, when you go to someone's home, when you go out for dinner. So we're judged three ways, and this happens every day of our life. The first thing we're judged on is how we look. And that's just not about our clothing, it's often the look on our face. Most of us might arrive at work and we're thinking about all the tasks we've got to do, and our face may be looking a little bit, maybe serious, maybe angry. So what does everyone think that's looking around you? Oh, maybe not in a good mood today. So be aware of what your face and your body is telling others about how you think and how you feel. The second way we're judged is on how we speak. Do you actually speak clearly? Speak with a little enthusiasm? Do you articulate your words? Do you communicate well? And the last way that we're judged is our behaviour. What is our behaviour telling others about ourselves? Because when we talk about communication, 55% of the way we communicate is non-verbal in our body language. Our posture, the look on our face, how we use our hands, 38% is vocal. So what is our voice telling other people? And the last 7% is actually the words that we're saying. So 93% of our daily communication is considered to be non-verbal communication. So how can we make this a bit better? I want you today, as you walk into work, as you walk out of your house, to think about how you are being perceived. Are you standing tall? Do you have a smile on your face? We actually like it when we meet people or see people that look like they're happy to be somewhere. So walk into work today, or walk into whatever room or place that you're walking into today with a smile on your face. It shows that you're a happy person. Stand as tall as you can. Groom yourself. Have you bothered to brush your hair? Have you bothered to iron your shirt? It's the little details that make it look like you've made a little bit of an effort. And we like to deal with people, we like to build relationships with people that look like they care about themselves, that look like they want to meet you and talk to you. So think about your first impression, work on it. Even if you are walking into work today, tomorrow, next week, feeling worried, feeling nervous, not wanting to be there. Show your expressions through your body language and the way that you present yourself in a polished manner, because you never know when your next customer is coming, when your next opportunity is coming, or when that next wonderful relationship is about to begin. So stand tall and stand out every single day.